Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate appointment scheduling and follow-up for healthcare providers. For example, you are a healthcare provider and you got many appointments from your users at once. Responding and scheduling their appointment manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate appointment scheduling for healthcare providers via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your patients instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of hospital. Here I am sending a message as schedule appointment. Then you can see immediately the bot will respond to me like this, that please select a doctor for your appointment, including one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the list of the doctor, including their specification, that is cardiologist, dermatologist or orthopedics. Let's say I select this. Then you can see the bot will ask me to provide the date for the appointment. So here I am sharing the date. Here I sent. Then you can see the bot will ask me for the time. Here I sent. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that please provide your medical history and any current conditions for doctor's review. So here I am sharing one medical history. Here I send one medical history report. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that your appointment with Dr. Smith is scheduled it for the date and the time that we have provided here. You can see the bot will also mention the name of the doctor that we have selected from the list, also giving us one message, that is you will receive a reminder 24 hours prior. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will respond to your patients and schedule their appointment without you doing any manual efforts, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you one quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. It is the best place to learn and grow together. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing the similar problem just like you or the Pabbly team members will help you out. You can also get the updates from here. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on the sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I'll click on the sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. It will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or WhatsApp integration, while the next is the Manual Token Connect, in where you have to provide the access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. If you want a detailed video of how to add a WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. On that video, you will get the explanation of both of these steps. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders, while in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, where the one is the inbox, contact, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can create and manage all of your static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code drag and drop builder. With the help of this, you can create a multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses without requiring any coding or programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate appointment scheduling for healthcare provider. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. At first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday, it is coming soon and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword. So here the first keyword I'll write as schedule appointment. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword, doctor appointment. Here I write only two keywords, you can add multiple. After that, whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and respond to them. For that, I am taking one list button. I'll drag this box here. Here you can see this is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am directly entering the body. Here I added, that is please select a doctor for your appointment. Now I want to add the list of the doctor. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as doctor's name. Here I write, after that I am adding the name of the doctors. For that, I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the name of the first doctor as Dr. Smith, and in this enter description box I am going to write the specialization of this doctor, that is cardiologist. After that, here I am adding the name of two more doctors. The process of adding would be the same. Here I added. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow to this list message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my flow starting point is connected to my message. Now after this step, I am going to set the custom field. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field. I'll drag this box here where you have to select the contact custom field. Contact custom fields help you to make a data dynamic. Now I'll tell you where you can create this contact custom field. For that, you have to go in the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. So this is the page where you can create a contact custom field for your different type of uses. It is a user specific parameter for managing a contact details like name, email, timing, etc. When you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is add more fields. When you click on it, it will provide you one box where you have to provide the field name that I provide as doctor name. After that, you can also provide the description in this field description box. I am not providing it. After that, you have to click on this button, save button. Here you can see your contact custom field is saved successfully. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I am going to select the contact custom field as doctor name, and in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is Dr. Smith, because I set this contact custom field box specifically for this. Now for both of these also I am doing the same. Here you can see I use the same contact custom field for all of these and only change the value so that whenever my user will select any of these doctor, then my bot will automatically capture their response and at last give them one customized message by mentioning the name of the doctor that they were selected. Now I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this, and this to this. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now after this step, when my user will select the doctor, then my bot will ask them to provide the appointment date. For that I am taking one ask a question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my message as please provide the date for schedule your appointment. For that I am selecting the contact custom field appointment date. After that the format I'll select as date, number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can also increase this if you want to, and in this enter message box you can write any message. After that I am connecting all of these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me the date of the appointment booking, then my bot will ask them to provide the timing. For that I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my message as please provide a preferred time. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as appointment time. After that the format I'll select as any. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their appointment date as well as their time, then I want to know about their medical history. For that I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this box here and writing a message as please provide your medical history and any current conditions for the doctor's review. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as medical history. After that the format I'll select as any. After that I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now after all of these steps, then at last my bot will respond to my user. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am writing my respond message. Here I write that is your appointment with $symbol doctor name is scheduled it for with $symbol appointment date and appointment time. You can see I use the $symbol here because with the help of this symbol my bot will respond to my users dynamically. As when they select the doctor's name from the list, then automatically with the help of this contact custom field my bot will capture their response and at last give them the customized message based on their provided information. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate appointment scheduling for healthcare providers via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This WhatsApp chatbot will automatically respond to your patients in real time, schedule their appointment and also give them the customized message. And the best part is this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.